Have you ever wondered what exactly goes into a credit score? Because I know it can be super frustrating seeing your credit score bounce around when you don't seem to be doing anything different. Trust me, I have been there. 1 month is down 10 points, and then the next month, even though you didn't change anything, then your score rebounds, and guess what? Then you have those 10 points back. Well, I just want to talk about that a little bit today because I have worked with dozens of individuals, and each individual is unique. But what is not unique is that each person needs a credit score that the banks or the lenders have told us is at a bare minimum okay. So we will talk more about scores going up and down in some of my other videos. But today I just want to kind of talk about a little bit now today about what these lenders are looking for. So look, financial institutions need a way to determine if they want to lend money to an individual. And they do this with numbers. The numbers, your credit scores. So there are a few tricks that you can do to increase your credit score. Basically, lenders want to know if you can manage what you borrow. That is important for people to understand. When you open a line of credit, whether it's a credit card, you go and get a personal loan, lenders want to know that you can manage the money that you borrow. So they do this by weighing different categories. Their most important category is your payment history. They want to make sure that you have a good and consistent history of paying those that you owe money to. Another big category that they lean heavily on is making sure you're not using a large percentage of the credit that you have been given. So they don't want to see you get, a limit of $10,000 on your credit card and then you just use it all up. So you have to put yourself in the lender's shoes. If your friend, let's say your friend wanted money from you, that's making you the lender, right? But your friend has 3 credit cards that are all maxed out. So even if he or she is paying back the minimum amount due on those cards, he or she wouldn't be as preferred as someone who had a huge credit limit and borrowed a small amount each month. So if you just think about that, or let's say if your friend could actually pay what they borrowed in full each time, then yes, you, just like a lender, would want to extend more credit to them. Again, your credit score is a number given to help lenders figure out the quality of a borrower. I like talking about things like this because people get so caught up on, well, my friend said this, my sister said this, my cousin said this, with their credit. Everybody's situation is different. You have to take responsibility for yours and look at what's going on with your credit report. So, are there tips to getting your score up? Absolutely. So here are a few. Pay down your credit card balances, but be strategic if you can. Ask for higher credit limits. Become an authorized user. Make sure you pay your bills on time. Dispute any credit report errors that you might find. And if you can, add to your credit mix. Connect with me for more things that you can do to improve your credit and basically your overall financial picture. Because your credit should be used as a tool. Credit is not an enemy. I know a lot of people you talk about credit and they're like, I don't want to talk about that. But credit is not an enemy. It should be used as a tool. So connect with me to improve your credit or your overall financial picture so you can get in position to buy real estate, to get that business you want, whatever it is that you're looking to do. Thank you for watching.